All right, we're bringing you a horrific incident that's happened in Chhattisgarh's Jashpur. This is an accident where a car has run over Dashera revelers. Several were knocked down by the speeding car. One person has died. Several have been injured in that accident. Now, if you just look at the visuals there on your screens, just see how that car comes speeding down despite there being a crowd of people and literally mows them down and goes past without stopping even for a minute. There seems to be no kind of indication, no warning even that seems to have come in from that car or from whoever was driving that car, and that car has just literally mowed down and gone through that entire crowd of people. This is on the occasion of Dashera. This has happened. These are revelers. These are people celebrating the festival of Dashera who were out there, who were on the road, on the street, and this car seems to have come. And even if we can just play out that sequence again, even before the car mows them down, it's very clear that the car has not stopped, has not even reduced the speed. I don't know, we can't hear it, so I don't know if the car even honked at all. So obviously this is what's happened there. We're just going to try and get some more inputs here, but this is an absolutely horrific scene that is come to light here. Tanvi is joining me on the phone line. In fact, Tanvi, this visual is absolutely horrifying. This car has mowed down these people who were celebrating Dashera, and without stopping, at least from the visual that I can see, there seems to be no indication that the car even stopped or slowed down before going through that crowd.
No, absolutely, you're right, Avni. It doesn't. It literally just speeds through and mows down a group of people, not even one, not even two people, but a group of people. And this is a Dashera rally, a group that had gathered together to observe and celebrate the festival of Dashera. You can see many of them are even dressed up, as some various characters, including Ravan. And this car comes from behind and just speeds through, mowing down over almost 20 people. One of them is dead already, succumbed to the injuries in the hospital. Several others are reportedly very critically injured, and one can imagine at the speed at which this car comes and just runs them over and drives away. But there are more visuals that have come in, Avni, and it seems, as you can see in the first set of visuals that we're running, these people begin to then chase that car. And the visuals that have come in also show us later that the car has been vandalized and then set ablaze. Obviously, huge amount of anger there amongst the villagers, amongst these rally participants as well, who, when they see this happen, chase after the car, try to stop it. And we're going to play out some of those visuals as well. But it's a horrifying incident that has taken place in Jashpur in Chhattisgarh. At least 20 people were run over by this car at this, when this rally was going on. They were all taken to the Pathalgaon Civil Hospital. One person has already died. Many more are critically injured. This is the initial information, Avni, that is coming in right now. But on a day like today, on a day of celebration, a festival being celebrated at this point, this was a Dashera rally. You can see some of them also dressed up like Ravan with their mask on when this car comes out of nowhere and just runs over them. Really horrific incident that has taken place in Jashpur in Chhattisgarh. Avni?
Yes, absolutely, Tanvi. And as we just standing by for more of those visuals to come in that Tanvi was also talking about, this is eerily similar, Tanvi, to what we saw in Lakhimpur. In fact, when I'm looking at this visual on screen, that visual is also flashing before me as well. So this is just absolutely the second set of visuals also on our screens right now for our viewers. Just look at that. You'll be able to see this entire sequence of events and how that car has mowed down all of those people there. We're still standing by for more information and what the latest developments are in terms of whether or not the police has reached the scene, what's happening at this point in time. But Tanvi, now we're seeing both the visuals on our screens at this point.
Yes, and something has to be terribly wrong with the driver in this case. I mean, we don't know if he was running away, escaping from somebody, if he was intoxicated, who he was. But look at that. In the second video, you can see it's a big crowd. People are moving in a certain direction, all of them just walking down. It's passing through that crowd, and at no point is making an attempt to stop at all. Clearly indicates that something is drastically wrong with the person who was driving this car. We are getting some more information, Avni, where, of course, the police has reached the spot to investigate. The accused, the driver in this case, was caught by the people, tried to run away, was caught by the people, and further investigation is happening. But I think people there would have been extremely angry, and probably one of those, in that anger, one of them have also set the car ablaze. Absolutely horrific incident. A large group of people, you can see it, the car at least runs over 20, but there were many more, like at least 50 people who were walking down that we can only see. And this car absolutely showing no intent of slowing down, just running over these many people. Avni?
Yes, absolutely. And, obviously right now we can't hear what really happened there, but I don't even know whether the car, it didn't slow down for sure. That's evident in the visuals, but whether the driver even honked or even, was it intentional? So obviously there are a lot of questions at this point in time, but there's 16 people who are stable now is what we understand, which means that these many people were actually run over.
Yes, absolutely. 16 people that they're saying are in the hospital and in stable condition. Avni, I believe we have Govind who's with us right now and perhaps can give us an updated report. Govind?
Bolo.
That's right. Govind, if my voice is reaching you, what's the latest? What can you tell us about this incident?
Yeah, absolutely. This is quite heart-rending incidents took place there in Jaspur district of Chhattisgarh, where more than 1.5 dozen people were hit by a car, and still the local police is in the investigation that whoever were there riding in the car and who was driving it. And just a few minutes ago, this accident occurred in the Mela area, in fact, where the religious rally was going on. And this is whole incident quite disappointing, where a number of people were hit by the car. But still, just before the incidents took place few minutes ago, the administration is in the investigation that who gave the permission to enter this car in Mela area and whoever are responsible for this accident.
Right. Govind, if you can just run us through the sequence of events at this point in time, because the visual on our screen very clearly shows that this car didn't seem to have any intention of slowing down, didn't slow down. I don't know if there was the driver honked, who this person was, what exactly is the police telling us? What are the details we have?
On hold, please stay.
All right, I think we'll just try and reconnect to Govind in just a minute, but those are the details that have come in at this point in time. Just to run our viewers through what we know right now, one person has died in this incident. There are 16 others who were injured, who are said to be stable at this point in time. We also understand that the situation is apparently under control in the area. The mob also set the car on fire. The accused tried to escape, but was caught by the people, and the police is also now on the spot. So we need to get more information about what exactly the police are saying and who this person really was. But this is an absolutely shocking incident that has happened on the day of Dussehra, on a day when people are celebrating out there. And these are clearly, as you can see from the way the people, they're dressed, the people who are revelers, who are celebrating the festival of Dussehra, who were out there on the street when this horrific incident has happened. So we also understand the inputs that are coming in from one of the doctors there. One person has died, 16 have been injured, 2 of them have got fractures. So it is a huge number of people who were who the car ran over really in this entire incident. And those are the visuals there on your screens. This is what we know so far, and these are the details we have. This is in Jashpur in Chhattisgarh, where the car ran over 20 people. and you can see the number of people who were there, and that car literally coming out of nowhere and running through those people who were on the streets there, who were quietly going about their business, who were walking down the road on the day of Dussehra, and this has happened. So this is what we have at this point in time. We'll also try and listen in to what we have. All right, let me go across to Apeksha there to take us through these visuals and the details that we have at this point in time. Yes, Apeksha.
Well, Avni, these are extremely disturbing and horrific visuals that we're getting to see over here. This incident is in Chhattisgarh, where one person has also died, and here it's absolutely crystal clear visuals where you can see there's a group of crowd here celebrating the big occasion that we have today, and you see this car over speeding, literally running into this crowd, you know, and maybe like there are so many people over here that the car has, you know, like sort of moved them down. Here you can see this one person on the ground. A lot, I'm assuming, definitely have been injured. One person we know for sure has died in this incident. And these are the visuals that we're seeing the very first, and the car just, you know, just speeds away, and all of these people running, trying to first in shock figure out what has happened, second trying to you know, maybe get hold of the driver. Look at the speed at which the vehicle is coming. Now we don't know exactly, we don't have many details as to how and why did this particular person decide to come in. Now we look at the second video here. This is again, we're looking a crowded street considering the occasion that we have today. This is the car here that we are showing you circled red in color. This is after the car has run over people and it's you know, sort of speeding away. This is another video from another angle that we're showing our viewers. Red in color, this car over here, it's an SUV, looks like an SUV. After running over people, it's speeding away. A hugely crowded area that we can see. This is this street over here, and again this, let's also look at the other certain videos that we have got. This car has then been set on fire. This is the car that has run over people here, where scores of them have been injured. This looks like it has been you know, attacked and damaged by probably the people around who we saw were trying to, you know, figure out exactly what happened. We're also looking at the fire visuals. This is exactly the vandalism photos that we've been showing our viewers after the car, you know, it was speeding and it came in and it ran over the people. It was set on fire. This is the fire visual that we're getting to see here right when it happened. And the next video, if we can show our viewers, is about how, so remember, it's quite graphic visuals that we're showing our viewers here of exactly what has happened, very disturbing in nature. A quick recap, Avni, of what exactly has happened here. Considering the occasion, there were a lot of people on the streets celebrating, and we can clearly see that is the car, an SUV, coming from a particular direction, speeding and literally ramming into people, mowing them down, just running like, and the driver is, you know, absolutely clueless of what, looks like he's clueless of what he's doing. So many people right in front of him, difficult to not see them. And scores of people here have been injured. One, we've been told to understand that one person has also died in this incident. And following this particular incident, the car was then set on fire. A series of visuals that we're bringing to our viewers, exactly step by step what has happened. The next video here then is a close-up of the car and of after the incident, exactly what has happened. This car moving in, mowing down so many people, and then we also have a close-up of the driver not even waiting to see the kind of the extent of damage or what exactly happened. A complete panic situation here. This is the car, the one that you see the circle around. This is the car that was overspeeding and coming. It just the driver just drives away, and of course this entire chaos here, where people are trying to figure out that what exactly happened. Then we go on to see the car, which was then set ablaze, and the remains that we can see. This is the visual after that entire incident. The car was then set on fire and entirely burnt, absolutely nothing remaining of the car, and we can completely see that lot of anger on the streets. Of course, given the nature and the the intensity of the incident, it's absolutely shocking to see something like this on such a day.
Yes, absolutely, Apeksha. Absolutely horrifying incident there. Thank you so much for taking us through all of those visuals there and that sequence of events. But let's also listen into what the doctor had to say.
अस्पताल में जो है एक बॉडी को लाया गया था। यहाँ पे जो है एक की डेथ हुई है और 16 लोग और अदर हॉस्पिटलाइज हैं, जिसमें से 2 लोगों को जो है एक्सरे कराया गया है और फ्रैक्चर है, उन लोगों को रिफर करने की प्रक्रिया जारी है।
All right, we'll continue to track that story and all the developments here, but let's quickly slip into a break and come back.